to my channel. So, get comfortable. First I want to start off by saying, what do you guys think to this intro? Because one of my closest friends created... Yawning already. One of my closest friends created the picture for me, and it's up. I love it, and I've just animated it. So yeah, this friend knows who she is because she's helped me create it and whatnot. But it's very good. I like it. So there we go. I'm just gonna quickly put it out there that I'm no longer working for now because I decided to leave my job. But I'm not going to go into that right now, so I'm just going to skip through that. I was thinking about doing a YouTube channel for 3D printing only. I don't know if I want to I don't know if it's gonna work if I make a Facebook page as well to try and sell my 3D stuff, but I might give it a try, see what happens. Or like print whatever someone requests for them to then buy it. And yeah, I was thinking about making a YouTube channel for my 3D printing because I keep posting stuff on this channel and it's not really relevant to what my channel name says, because it's a bunch of different videos in one channel, which can be confusing because my channel's put out as a gaming channel, even though it's not. It's got multiple different things and videos inside of it. So I think I'm going to make a 3D printing channel. Let me know what you think to that, because that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you to my closest friend as well for creating the design. It's absolutely incredible and I love it. I don't think there's anything else to talk about. Now I've got a tripod for when I can show that my printer, whatever it's printing, because I can do time lapses and some other stuff with my channel, or the channel that I could create. So we'll just have to see. We will have to see what we can come up with or what we can do. I'm not since woken up. Why am I yawning? But that's about it. There's not much to tell you, and there's not much else that you need to know. I'll keep you updated on everything that's happening in my life at some point again, and yeah. That's pretty much it in the video. So I hope wherever you are in the world you have a great day, or a great evening, or a great night. It's such an awkward silence. But yeah, enjoy. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think in comments about the intro or the picture, because one of my closest friends made that for me, the design. Yeah, let me know what you think about a 3D printing channel or advertising custom prints on Facebook for people to buy. Right guys, that'll be it. Have a nice day, everyone. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.